Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casi, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casi.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world. Tonight, political fireworks are lighting up the crypto world as Coinbase takes on a U.S. senator head-on. Senator Chris Murphy accused Coinbase of fueling Trump's corruption factory. But Coinbase hit back, calling the claims ridiculous and revealing their $46 million in donations went to both parties. Yet, behind the denials, whispers grow louder. Was the SEC's sudden retreat just coincidence or calculated power play? SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
Coinbase dismissed Senator Chris Murphy's accusation of political favoritism toward Donald Trump as ridiculous, insisting its donations were nonpartisan and consistent with long-standing corporate practices. This clash reflects the growing tension between decentralized financial innovation and entrenched political narratives. Accusations of favoritism often reveal fear of losing control over emerging systems that reduce centralized influence. Coinbase's defense underscores the industry's effort to be perceived as bipartisan, technological, and essential to national financial competitiveness. The real issue lies not in donations, but in the discomfort traditional institutions feel toward decentralization's inevitability. Power resists change, but decentralization persists, driven not by politics, but by protocol.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.